Hi, today I'm going to show you our method for finding profitable selections for betting and trading in-play over 1.5 goals markets. We are using the Odds Ranger tool, which is available from Bet the Builders Academy. What this tool does is basically looking at last 10 league matches where both teams were priced in the same win market odds brackets. Let's quickly look through the explanation for this. So I'll show you a graphical example. And this match is based on over 2.5 goals Odds Ranger, and it's a match between Borussia Mönchengladbach and Bayern München, where the home team is priced to win at 5, the draw is priced at 4.75, and Bayern München is priced at 1.57. So what we are doing is we are looking at last 10 Borussia Mönchengladbach home and away league matches where they were priced between 4 and 6, and looking at the over 2.5 goals money trends. So you can quickly see the average odds, whether betting on over 2.5 goals in those 10 matches would have made any profit or loss. And we can do the same for Bayern München's home and away matches when they were priced between 1.5 and 1.7. So that's basically what we are looking for, and those stats will be included in those tables below. In this case, we are going to look at over 1.5 goals, money trends and statistics from those 10 matches, from those historical matches of the similar profile in that league. The first column that we are going to look at is the odds column, so where we can see all the available odds for over 1.5 goals. And these are the pre-match odds. What we have next is the home team's success rate for over 1.5 goals in those last 10 matches. And then we have home team's profit or loss from those 10 matches, and home team's average odds. So it is basically the breakdown of the stats that we saw in the example above. And then we have exactly the same statistics and trends for the away team. And then we have the last two columns named HP and AP, standing for home performance or home prediction and away performance prediction. And these numbers are based on the recent form for both teams. The method I'm going to show you today does not necessarily have to have all the highest profit numbers for both home and away teams. What we are going to look at is the available odds and the home average odds and away average odds from the Odds Ranger trends. What we want to do is look at the available odds for over 1.5 goals, 1.36, and ideally we would like to have the average odds from the Odds Ranger for home and away teams lower than this number. In other words, we are going to look at some higher odds offering a bit more value. Let's quickly look through the first few teams and try and find such conditions. So for example, we got Kriens against Wiel in Switzerland. The current available odds are 1.25, and we have 1.17 home average odds and 1.23 away average odds. We can analyze this match in the Live Builder and look at the long-term money trends for that match, so we can quickly see the full breakdown of all results and odds. And just to confirm, average odds of 1.15, 9 out of 10 of those matches finishing in over 1.5 goals. And also for the away side, we got 1.19 with also 9 out of 10 matches finishing in over 1.5 goals. Based on these statistics alone, the price of 1.25 looks like there might be some value in backing over 1.5 goals. Now, I personally don't get involved in that market before the match starts due to very low odds. What I tend to do and what I like to do is waiting until the halftime and looking for those opportunities where those matches are still 0-0, and then I'm happy to back over 1.5 goals at a lot higher odds. We actually use an automated alert system for such matches using the Odds Ranger statistics. So the criteria that I just showed you. So whenever a match meeting our criteria is 0-0 at halftime, we are going to get a notification for our Telegram chat, and we also have these matches displayed and monitored and tracked in our Life Builder Center. And this is the alert that I'm talking about. So it's called OR over 1.5 0-0 halftime. So Odds Ranger over 1.5 goals. And this is the match that we just analyzed. So Kriens against Will. This match was 0-0. It actually tells us here it was 0-0 in the 45th minute. The odds for over 1.5 goals from Bet365 were 2.38. Now if you use Betfair Exchange, you will be able to back that outcome at significantly higher odds, at minimum of 2.5. We can analyze that match at halftime. We can look at the statistics, analyze the dominance and game intensity charts, as well as the last 10 minutes game intensity indexes. And we can also see other little bits like starting odds, in-play odds, and all this information updates constantly every 30 seconds or so you can track it as you go. So here in the Life Builder we can access all our past alerts for that system criteria, and we can actually see all result summaries on a separate page. Life Builder tracked systems results you can find in over goal systems section OR over 1.5 halftime. If you click that, you should be able to see a full result summary. So for example, we had 25 such matches, and all the strike rates, average odds, profit loss and ROI figures. So this is a fairly new alert, and we started tracking it at the beginning of January, and it's starting to come along nicely and having some nice odds winners along the way as well. So that is our method for finding profitable selections for over 1.5 goals and betting or trading them in play. And there are many different ways of betting or trading those selections. You can use them still in the first half, or you can back them later on in the game around the 60th minute when the match is still 0-0 and trade them from then, for example by cashing out when the goal comes in. And just to finish off, I will show you that we also have these Odds Ranger stats for different markets, such as over 2.5, 3.5 goals, both teams to score first half, 0.5 goals markets, and also under 2.5 and under 3.5 goals. And these are being used by our Academy members to come up with their own selections for their systems and strategies for betting and trading. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.